Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we are going to discuss the term edition. Introduction. The term edition in present usage, total number of copies of a book that are printed from a single setting of type or other mode of reproduction. It encompasses all the copies of a book produced in a specific printing which may be spread over a period of time. Sometimes subsequent reprints or printings of an edition are made with minor changes in the text. In modern publishing, a new edition indicates a printing in which significant changes have been made to the text. For example, a text may be revised and reprinted multiple times, leading to designations like second edition, third edition, and so on. Variorum edition. A variorum edition can be understood in two ways. First, it refers to an edition of a literary work that lists all the textual variants found in an author's manuscripts and revisions of the printed text. Such an edition provides scholars and readers with a comprehensive view of the variations and changes made to the work over time. An excellent example is the Variorum edition of the poems of W.B. Yeats, edited by Pelter Alt and Russell K. Allspesh. Variorum edition continued. Second, a variorum edition can also signify an edition of text that includes a selection of annotations and commentaries on the text made by previous editors and critics. The term variorum is derived from the Latin cum notis variorum, meaning with annotations of various persons. This type of edition provides readers with valuable insights into the interpretation and critical perspectives of earlier scholars. The new Variorum edition of Shakespeare, an ongoing project, exemplifies a Variorum edition in both senses of the word. Incunabula. The term incunabula, singular incunabulum, refers to books that were produced in the early stages of printing, often referred to as the infancy of printing. The word incunabula originates from Latin and means swaddling clothes, indicating the early formative period of the printing press. The cutoff date for incunabula is generally considered to be the year 1500, approximately 50 years after Johann Gutenberg, a German printer, invented movable printing type. These early printed books are highly valued for their historical significance and impact on the dissemination of knowledge and culture. So this was the discussion on the term incunabula. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.